Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain exercise 1.4 first sum. What is given first sum is 1 by root 2. Prove that the following are irrational. 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. That is proof. Okay, proof. Given 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, prove that 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, let us suppose we assume that we will take 1 by root 2 is not an irrational number. Suppose we assume that 1 by root 2 is not an irrational number. If a number is not an irrational number means it must be a rational number. Therefore, 1 by root 2 is a rational number. It is not a rational number means must be rational number. If a number is a rational number, that is not a rational number. If a number is irrational number, that number is not a irrational number, that is rational number. So 1 by root 2 is a rational number. What is the general form of rational number? P by Q form. So 1 by root 2 equals to P by Q, where P comma Q are coprimes. What do you mean by coprimes? There is no common factor to both P and Q. There is no common factor to P and Q. That is meaning of coprimes. There is no common factor to both P and Q. Okay. Cross multiply. Q into 1 Q equals to root 2 P. Okay. P is transferred to here. Q by P is equals to root 2. Okay. So here Q by P is the general form of, it is a fraction. So every fraction is a rational number. Okay. So Q by P is a rational number. LHS. Q by P is a rational number. RHS root 2 is an irrational number. So one irrational number is not always not equals to a rational number. So LHS not equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS not equals to RHS came. Why? Because I will take 1 by root 2 is a rational number. So, our assumption is wrong. What we will take in? 1 by root 2 is a rational number. We taken. So, LHS not equals to RHS came. That's why our assumption is wrong. What we will take? Already taken. 1 by root t is a rational number. So that is wrong. So if a number is not a rational number, if a number is a rational number, we will take. Our assumption is wrong came. That's why it must be. It not a rational number means it must be an irrational number. Therefore, 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. And another proof also given. Q by P equals to root 2. Squaring on both sides. Root 2 whole square. Q by P whole square. Q square by P square equals to 2. 2 is divisible. Already I gave the one example. Root 2 is an irrational number. That's why I will set simply. Okay. That's it. This is the first sum. Second one. Root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. How to prove the root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number? Students, listen carefully. It is a very, very important 4 mark sum. Okay. Now, proof. Let us, we suppose root 3 plus root 5 is not an irrational number. I will take root 3 plus root 5 is not a rational number. So if a number is not a rational number means, not an irrational number means, it must be a rational number. Therefore, root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. It is a rational number. What is the general form of rational number? Root 3 plus root 5. What is the general form? P by Q form, fraction form. So, P by Q, where P comma Q are coprimes. P comma Q are coprimes. Coprimes means there is no common factor to both P and Q. Okay. Here, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equals to P by Q whole square. It is in the form of A plus B whole square. What is the A plus B whole square formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is the formula for A plus B whole square. So, this is A and this is B. So, A square root 3 whole square plus B square root 5 whole square plus 2AB 2 into root 3 into root 5 equals to P square by Q square. This is P square and Q square. Okay. Here square root cancelled. Square root cancelled. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 plus 2 into root 3 into root 5. Root A into root B. Root A into root B is equals to root of AB. So, product of these two numbers not multiplied with these number. This is a rational number and this is an irrational number. Don't multiply these two. Only two irrational numbers are multiplied. Root 3 into root 5. Root 3 is 3 into 5. Root 15. 2 root 15 is equals to P square by Q square. So 3 plus 5, 8 plus 2 root 15 equals to P square by Q square. 2 root 15 equals to plus 8 transfer to that side minus 8. LCM Q square 1 LCM. What is the LCM of Q square and 1? Q square. q square 1 times 1 into p square, p square. 1 q square times q square into 8, 8 q square equals to 2 root 15. Root 15 equals to p square minus 8q square by, here 2 is multiplied this root 15 and transform to this side division, 2q square. Here LHS is a LHS root 15 is an irrational number. Because it is not a perfect square. Root 16 equals to 4. Root 9 equals to 3 and 4 in between this number, root 15. So it is an irrational number. Root 16 is the rational number, root 9 is the rational number, but root 15 is an irrational number. It is not a perfect square. That's why it is an irrational number. And here RHS. What about RHS? It is PQ are integers. According to our definition of rational numbers, PQ are integers. So if any number is substitute in this number, in this equation RHS, p square minus 8q square by 2q square is a rational number. So LHS irrational numbers, RHS rational numbers, both are equally scaled. But any number, there is no number is equals to rational numbers and irrational numbers, not equal. Both. Therefore, LHS not equals to RHS. There is no common factor to both rational numbers and irrational numbers. So LHS not equals to RHS. So this is YK means our assumption is wrong. What we will take the assumption? Root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number we will take. So our assumption is wrong. What we will take? Root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number taken. So that is wrong. If a number is not a rational number means it must be a irrational number. Therefore, root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Students, it is very important 4 mark sum in the first chapter. Okay. The next one is yesterday I gave the 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number, already completed. Next one is root 5. Third one 6 plus root 2. Fourth one root 5. Okay, these two are homework. Next the fifth one. What is the fifth one? 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Proof. Same. Let us suppose we assume that three plus 2 root 5 is not an irrational number. So we suppose that it is not a rational number means it must be 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. It must be a rational number. What is the general form of rational number? 3 plus 2 root 5 is equals to P by Q, where P comma Q are coprimes. What is the meaning of coprimes? There is no common factor to both P and Q. Okay. Both squaring on both sides. 3 plus 2 root 5 whole square equals to P by Q whole square. Here LHS is in the form of A plus B whole square equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB, form like that. So what is the A place? 3. B place is 2 root 5. So A square 3 square plus B square 2 root 5 whole square plus 2 into A means 3, B means 2 root 5 equals to P square by Q square. Okay. 3 square 9 plus 2 square 4 root 5 square root cancel 5, 4 5s are 20, 2 root 5 into 2 root 5, 2 root 5 into 2 root 5, multiply with 2 times, square means multiply the same number into 2 times, 2 2s are 4 into root 5 square, square root to cancel, 4 5 is 20, so write directly 20 plus 2 3s 6, 6 2s are 12 into root 5. So these three numbers are rational numbers, that's why multiplication, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, root 5 equals to P square by Q square. 9 plus 20, 29 plus 12 root 5 equals to P square by Q square. Plus 29 transfer to that side. 12 root 15 equals to P square by Q square minus 29. Denominator is 1. LCM. Q square. Q square 1 times 1 into P square. P square minus 1 Q square times Q square into 29. 29 Q square. So 12 transfer to this side. Root 15 equals to P square minus 29Q square by 12Q square. Here multiplication, transfer to this side, division. So 12Q square. LHS, RHS. So LHS is a root 15. LHS. Root 15 is an irrational number. Sorry, root 5. Root 5. Root 5 is an irrational number. And RHS. P square minus 29Q square by 12Q square is a rational number. If any number substitute in the place of P and Q, any integer, substitute in the P, Q variables, you will give one fraction form, one rational number. That's why totally this number is a rational number. So LHS not equals to RHS. One is rational number, another one is irrational number. There is no coincide with the any number but LHS and RHS. No coincide numbers. That's why LHS not equals to RHS. But here LHS equals to RHS came. Why? Means our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? 3 plus 2 root 5 is an rational number we taken. So that is wrong. That number is not a rational number, means it must be a irrational number. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. These are the proofs of given irrational numbers. Okay. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we will discuss about logarithms. That is also very important topic. Thank you.